Turmeric spice is an old world wonder that has been a part of human history for multiple millenniums. Originating in India, it has played a vital role in herbal medicine, culinary, cosmetics, and more. Its reputation as a natural anti-inflammatory agent precedes it today. King's Health Products has a unique cooking process for turmeric paste, with a recipe that has been perfected over years to maximize strength, delivery, and bodily intake. Combining turmeric powder with filtered water, coconut oil, Vietnamese cinnamon, fresh ginger root, black pepper, and ground cloves, we make a quality product to stand behind. Adding a tablespoon of turmeric paste to your favorite dishes and drinks will garner remarkable benefits on your wellness. This video teaches you how to incorporate turmeric paste into a few beverages you can make at home, including golden milk and turmeric tea. Golden milk, or turmeric latte, is a refreshing beverage made from milk and turmeric paste. To start, we'll need a few ingredients. It can be any choice of your preferred milk, including cow's milk, nut milk, soy milk, or lactose-free milk. We'll need our measuring cup, a whisk, fresh basil, a pot, and of course, our turmeric paste. In this recipe, we're going to be choosing a vanilla-flavored almond milk. This recipe will also call for 1 cup. If you choose to make more, please adjust your measurements accordingly. Let's pluck a few of our fresh basil leaves, chop them up, and we'll put them off to the side for later. One tablespoon of turmeric paste per glass is enough. Let's get that ready and set it off to the side. Place your pot or pan on the stove, and we're going to use a very low setting here. Milk will burn easily, so you want to keep it moving with the whisk frequently. Once the milk has a chance to heat up, we'll go ahead and add our turmeric paste. Be sure to use the full tablespoon. If there are any clumps, whisk the turmeric paste all the way through until it's fully blended with the beverage. Seal your turmeric paste and return it to the fridge when done. Always monitor the stove and continually whisk periodically. Some additional benefits to consuming golden milk regularly include improved mood, better sleep, and additional protection against heart disease and mutating cells. After about 15 minutes, our beverage is almost ready. Time to add the fresh cut basil. Whisk just a moment longer.
Oh man, it smells so good.
Turn off the heat and we're ready to serve. Bon appetit.
They're good.
Another one of our favorite beverages is turmeric tea. The ingredients we'll be using include our turmeric paste, your preferred choice of healthy teas like green tea and black tea, a measuring cup, a reusable filter or empty tea bags, honey, stevia, or whatever other sweeteners you would like in your tea. We're going to use 2 cups of filtered water for this batch of tea. Load 1 to 2 tablespoons of turmeric paste into the reusable filter or empty tea bags. Take your water and pour it into the pot. Set the heat on high. We want to get the water boiling before anything happens next. Now it's time to load our reusable filters or empty tea bags with the turmeric paste. Drop the filter of turmeric paste or tea bags of turmeric paste into the water now. Reduce the temperature to a low simmer. Move or jostle your turmeric paste every few minutes to ensure all the active ingredients come out in the tea. Keep this process up for 15 additional minutes. Now it's time to take our turmeric tea off the stove. Pour it into a mug. Add honey and additional sweeteners to personal preference. Finally, it is time to add our healthy tea. In this example, we will be using black tea for its antioxidant properties and other health wonders. Let your tea sit for at least 2 minutes before drinking.
Thanks for watching our video. If you like what you saw, hit the like, hit the subscribe. If you got any questions about our products, send us an email. We want to hear from you. Stay well.